Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two of the best e-commerce platforms around, Shopify versus Ecwid. While both platforms are highly rated, there are some pros and cons that you need to know about before deciding which e-commerce platform you like to use or which platform you like to use to start your dropshipping store. The first platform that we'll be looking at, or the first comparison that we'll be doing, is the price range. While both platforms offer a free trial period, or better yet, Shopify offers a free trial period, but Ecwid goes one step further. As you can see, with Shopify, you'll get a free trial period for 3 days, and then from there, you can use Shopify for $1 per month. Or if you would like to extend that trial period, I think it goes up to 21 days, you can require that. But with Ecwid, you can have a free plan for life. As you can see, 0 down. And by the way, both platforms, you don't need to sign up using a credit card or anything like that. With Ecwid, you can get a free plan for life, but you'll only be able to add 5 products. You will also get the ability to use Facebook advertising, tax invoices, and you can create a free website, meaning that you'll get a free domain name and hosting, but keep in mind that it won't be a .com domain name. Instead, it will have a Ecwid extension. The same thing applies to Shopify. You won't get a .com extension. Instead, you'll get a Shopify extension. Both offer free domain names and free hosting. So with this in mind, if you are looking to create a dropshipping store and you are only planning to sell a few products and you want to keep it at that, you can start off with Ecwid, as you'll be able to do this for completely free. So you could add a few products on your Ecwid platform, and from there you could get started. But if you plan on adding more than 5 products, I would recommend that you get started with Shopify. So you'll set up your store, and then after setting up your store, you could move on to one of their paid plans. As you can see, their basic plans start off at $25, and with their basic plan, you'll be able to add up to 1,000 inventory, as you can see right there. Compared to Ecwid, their basic plan starts off at $14. But with Ecwid, you'll only be able to add 100 products, as you can see right there. So while Shopify basic plan starts off a bit more expensive, it does have more features. And also, talking about features, if you're someone that likes customization and you would like to have your website or your store looking a special way, I would definitely recommend that you go onto Shopify. As with Shopify, there are not a lot more plugins or apps available that you can use to add your own personal touch to your e-commerce store. And another plus with Shopify is it is a lot more popular than Ecwid. So there are a lot more tutorials and a lot more plugins that have been created for Shopify. So that is another plus when it comes onto Shopify if you are someone that wants to do that. Meanwhile, with Ecwid, it is easy to integrate onto other platforms, meaning if you would like to add it onto Google Sites or if you would like to add it onto WordPress, you can do that quite easily compared to Shopify. But Shopify does allow you to integrate onto other apps, and when it comes to integration, in fact, Shopify offers even more integrations. For example, Zapier and so on. There are numerous apps that you can integrate with your Shopify store. Ecwid does offer that also, but again, it may come at a hindrance to you if you are completely new, as there are less tutorials showing you how to do this with Ecwid compared to Shopify. And one of the main reasons why Shopify is so popular compared to Ecwid is because of their affiliate plan. As with Shopify, they started off their affiliate plan with you getting, I think, $50 for each person that signs up compared to Ecwid. And another thing that also you need to look on with Ecwid you can start selling digital products and so on without any plugins or so. But if you want to sell digital products on Shopify, you'll need to download plugins. And both platforms offer plugins at reasonable price, and they also offer a lot of plugins that are completely free. Now let me give you a quick overview of how to get started on each platform. So if you would like to get started on Shopify, all you will need to do is go onto shopify.com. Once on shopify.com, you are going to tap on Start Free Trial. After you have tapped on Start Free Trial, you'll sign up using your email address. Then you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you could simply tap on these easy to answer questions, or you can tap on Skip All. So let me tap on Skip All real quick. Then all you'll need to do is tap on your email name. Once you have tapped on your email name, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see that it is validating my account. Once it has validated my account, I'll be showing you how to set up your e-commerce store from there. Just give it a few seconds. This will be done very quickly. So you can see that it is redirecting me now to my admin page. Once on your admin page, if you would like to start adding products, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, I want you to tap on Add Apps. After you have tapped on Add Apps, a popular platform that you can use is Spocket. The only thing with Spocket is, while it does offer a free trial period, as you can see right here, free plan available, it does limit you to a sense. So let us scroll down so you can read more about Spocket. It is one of the more popular dropshipping platform. So you can see right here, with their free plan, you'll get access to 7 million product categories, and you'll be able to dropship products from AliExpress quite easily. And if you were to go up to their paid plan, you can see right here the starter plan. It will be 0% transaction fee, unlimited orders, 25 unique products, and image search. As with the Spocket free plan, I think you're limited to the amount of products that you'll be able to add. But there are numerous other plugins that you can use to add products. For example, you could try out Dizers. With Dizers, you'll be able to add products from AliExpress, as you can see right here. And again, with Dizer, you'll be able to use a free plan. And as I was saying earlier, when it comes onto Shopify, there are numerous tutorials that you can find to customize or to add any that will show you how to customize your store and how to add different features to your store. Now, let's look on how to set up an Ecwid store. To set up an Ecwid store, all you'll need to do is go onto ecwid.com. Once on ecwid.com, you will simply tap on Get Started in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Get Started, you can sign up using your Apple account, your Facebook account, or you can sign in with Google, as you can see that I'm doing right here. Let's do that real quick. Once I'm signed up, I will show you how to set up your Ecwid store real quick. You can see that it is loading the control panel. Once your control panel has been loaded, all you'll need to do now, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you will see the option to design. You can start designing your store. But before doing that, I would recommend that you tap on Apps. Then you are going to tap on App Market. After you have tapped on App Market, from here you could select Dropshipping. After selecting Dropshipping, you will be redirected to this page. And again, you can also add Spocket from Ecwid, as you can see right there. All you'll need to do is tap on Spocket. Or if you would like to do print on demand, you could use Printful, as you can see right here. But the one that I recommend that you use is SUP Dropshipping. As with SUP Dropshipping, you can get started for completely free, and you'll be able to add products from AliExpress onto your store. And it is completely free. It is not a free trial. It is a free plan overall. SUP Dropshipping is also available on Shopify. And that's basically it. With both platforms, you'll be able to get an overview to view how many sales you have gotten, how many transactions you have done, and so on. And as I was saying earlier, with Ecwid, you can easily add it to a store. For example, if you would like to add it to Google Sites or any website, all you'll need to do is tap on Overview, as you can see right here. Then from here, you'll simply scroll down, and you'll scroll down and you could add it to WordPress by simply tapping on WordPress, or you can add it to Wix, or you could simply tap on Custom Website right here. After you have tapped on Custom Website, you could simply copy the code and then you can paste it onto any platform, whether that is Google Sites, WordPress, any other platform that you would like to turn into a dropshipping store or an e-commerce store. All you will need to do is paste this code. So while both platforms offer their pros and cons, if you are completely new to dropshipping or e-commerce and you plan on selling numerous products, I would recommend that you go with Shopify. If you have no budget at all and you're just getting started and you just want to test out a few products, and by few I mean 2 or 3, well, I would recommend that you go with Ecwid. In the future, if you would like to increase and add more products, you may want to try out with Shopify, as Shopify is more scalable compared to Ecwid. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and it helped to make your decision easier. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and also tell me in the comment section which one of these platforms are you going to try, and thanks for watching.